Welcome to Latricia Creates. I am Latricia. In today's video, we're going to be making freestanding lace earrings using our embroidery machine. Let's take a look at the material we need for this project. We will need water-soluble stabilizer, the fabric-y type water-soluble, not the plasticky type. We're not going to use this. A hoop. This is a 4x4 hoop. This is a very 4x4 friendly project because it's so small. So I'm going to be using a 4x4 hoop. Thread and matching bobbin. Make sure your bobbin matches your thread so the design will be the same on both sides. Jewelry pliers. Jewelry findings. I'm going to be using these 6mm jump rings and these fish hook earrings. I'm also going to be using these T-head pins to help hold the stabilizer on the hoop. You don't have to use these. I just like to have them for added security. And lastly, we need a design. My design is already loaded on my embroidery machine. You ready? Let's make it. First thing we're going to do is hoop our stabilizer. Unscrew the hoop. Place the stabilizer on top. Put the top piece of the hoop back in. I like to push mine out just a little bit over. Tighten it down. Check it for tightness. Sounds tight to me. Just for added security, I'm just going to pull it a little more and tighten it down a little more. Here's where the T-head pins come in. I'm going to put these on all four sides to make sure the stabilizer doesn't sink down during stitching. Okay, now that the stabilizer is all hooped up, it's time to head over to the embroidery machine. Here we are at the embroidery machine. The design is already uploaded. We're going to go ahead and attach the hoop to the machine. Press embroidery. Drop the foot and press go. Back at the cutting table. Our design is all finished. Now we're going to unhoop the design. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the earrings off of the stabilizer. And ordinarily, I would go to the kitchen sink and rinse the stabilizer off. But for the video purposes, I have gone and gotten a small bowl of water to get the stabilizer off. But I'm going to cut around as much of it as I can and then dip it in the water. Get that stabilizer off. And I also got a paper towel. I don't want all of it to come off because I still want my earrings to have some stability. I don't want them to be too flimsy. So get off as much as you desire to have off. Okay, now I'm going to cut off these little excess pieces of thread. And voila, we have these cute little earrings. Now we're going to put the findings on. I'm going to take the jewelry pliers and I'm going to open up the jump rings and stick these on the earrings. Now when you're opening jump rings, you just want to move it forward. There's a nice little hole there. Put that in there. Put that in there, and now grab that and move it back. Alright, there's one earring. I see there's still a couple of little loose strings. Okay, so there's one. And let's do the same thing with the other one. Twist it open. Did you see that? Twist it open like so. Slide it through the hole. Oops. Add the earring hook. And close it up. There you have it, our cute little freestanding lace in the hoop earrings. The beauty of these earrings is you can make them in any color. You only have to use one color. There are no stops, no color changes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, keep creating.